goes into 31 6 times, and the reason why I can't do 5 goes into 3 is because 5 would go into 3, and that's a smaller number.
Mm-hmm.
So can't do that.
That's
I
right.
have to do the 6, and I write it over that 1 because that's technically the 1's place. And then what I do is 6 times 5 is 30, and 31 minus 30 gives a remainder of 1. You bring down the 9, and then 5 goes into 19. 5 goes into 19 3 times. And so I write a 3 up here. And then 3 times 5 is 15. 19 minus 15 is 4.
Good job.
Bring down the 2, and that gives 42. But what I can do is I can write 5 goes into 42. 5 goes into 42. Actually, 4 times.
Can you skip count by 5s to see how many?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Actually, 5 goes into that 8 times.
Good job.
8. So write 8 right here. And then 8 times 5 is 40. And then 42 minus 40 gives a remainder of 2. 5 can't go into 2, so I have to bring you have to bring down the number. And then 5 goes into 27 5 times.
Good.
And then 5 times 5 is 25. And then 27 minus 25 gives a remainder of 2. Bring down the 2. And then that'll be 22. 5 goes into 22 4 times. So we already have our answer, but we have to make it so that we can't do anything else.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so 4 times 5 is 20, and then 22 minus 20 gives a remainder of 2.
Okay.
And the reason why this is the end is because there's no more number that we can add.
Mm-hmm. So what do you do with that 2? That's part of your answer, isn't it?
I can write, so there's 2 ways to do it. I'll write them over here. You can either do R2 or do 2 5, which basically means 2/5.
Good. Can you write that after the 4 and write 2/5?
Yeah, so what I could do is I can write 2 5.
So what's your answer?
So my answer is 63,854, and then with a remainder of 2.
Yeah. Or 2/5.
Or 2/5.
Good job.